The kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's the true heart of the home. It's where families gather, where conversations flow, and where functionality and style come together to create an atmosphere that feels both welcoming and inspiring. Modern kitchen design has evolved into a perfect balance of comfort, beauty, and practicality, making every detail matter. From the layout to the lighting, from storage to surfaces, each choice shapes how the space looks and how it works. In this video, we'll explore some of the most inspiring modern kitchen design ideas and trends that transform everyday cooking spaces into stunning and functional hubs of the home. An open-concept kitchen creates a natural flow between cooking, dining, and living areas, making the entire space feel larger and more connected. Without the walls that traditionally separate rooms, light travels freely, and conversations don't have to pause when moving from one area to another. This design approach brings people together, whether it's family meals, casual gatherings, or simply enjoying a brighter, airier atmosphere. It also allows for more flexibility in arranging furniture and creating multifunctional zones, blending the kitchen seamlessly with the rest of the home. A minimalist kitchen design embraces simplicity and functionality while keeping the space elegant. Clean-lined cabinetry, smooth surfaces, and handle-less drawers create a sleek and modern look that feels calm and open. Countertops remain free of clutter, allowing the design itself to stand out. At the same time, hidden storage solutions and built-in appliances ensure the kitchen stays practical and efficient. To avoid feeling too plain, subtle textures, natural finishes, or warm accents can be added, giving the space personality without losing its refined, streamlined feel. This design approach creates a kitchen that feels light, airy, and easy to move around in. It's a style that blends beauty and practicality, making everyday living more enjoyable. A kitchen island has become more than just an extra surface, it's now the centerpiece of modern kitchen design. Oversized islands with bold finishes or striking stone countertops create a strong visual impact while offering plenty of workspace. Many designs extend the island into a dining area, making it a spot for casual meals or social gatherings. Beyond style, functionality plays a big role, with islands often featuring built-in storage, appliances, or even a sink to make cooking more efficient. Whether finished in a contrasting material or highlighted with unique lighting, a statement island brings character and practicality together in one central hub. Technology has become an essential part of modern kitchen design, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Smart appliances like ovens that can be controlled remotely, refrigerators that track what's inside, and touchless faucets bring convenience to a whole new level. Integrated lighting systems and voice-controlled devices add both comfort and functionality, allowing the space to adapt to different needs throughout the day. Energy-efficient options are also becoming a key feature, helping to reduce costs while keeping the kitchen eco-friendly. By blending innovation with design, smart technology transforms the kitchen into a space that feels both modern and highly practical. Bringing natural elements into the kitchen adds warmth and character while keeping the design timeless. Materials like stone countertops, wooden cabinetry, and textured finishes create a sense of authenticity that blends beautifully with modern layouts. These elements soften sleek lines and balance the more high-tech features often found in contemporary kitchens. Natural finishes also work well with a variety of color palettes, from neutral tones to bold contrasts, making them versatile for any style. The result is a kitchen that feels inviting, elegant, and connected to nature. Adding bold color accents is a simple way to give a modern kitchen personality and depth. Rich tones on cabinetry, a vibrant backsplash, or even a colorful kitchen island can create a striking focal point. When paired with neutral shades, these bold touches stand out without overwhelming the space. Matte finishes are often used to keep the look sophisticated, while still allowing the colors to make a strong statement. This approach adds energy and individuality, turning the kitchen into a place that feels both stylish and uniquely personal. Accent lighting can further highlight these color choices, drawing attention to key areas of the kitchen. Even smaller details, like bar stools, open shelving, or decorative pieces, can carry bold shades to tie the design together. With the right balance, color becomes more than decoration, it becomes part of the kitchen's overall character. Lighting plays a vital role in both the look and function of a modern kitchen. Layered lighting, such as pendant lights over the island, under cabinet strips for task areas, and recessed fixtures for general illumination, creates depth and flexibility. Beyond its practical use, lighting also doubles as a design statement. Bold fixtures can become focal points that add personality to the space. Warm, adjustable lighting helps set the right mood, whether for cooking, entertaining, or simply relaxing. By combining style with functionality, innovative lighting transforms the kitchen into a bright and inviting environment. Accent lights can highlight unique design features like textured backsplashes or open shelving. Even the choice of fixture materials, such as glass, brass, or matte finishes, can complement the overall kitchen design beautifully. Modern kitchens are designed with storage that goes far beyond basic cabinets. Pull-out drawers, hidden compartments, and vertical shelving make it easier to keep everything organized and accessible. Walk-in or concealed pantries are becoming a favorite feature, offering plenty of space without cluttering the main area. These solutions ensure that cooking essentials, utensils, and appliances are always within reach but never on display, helping the kitchen maintain a clean and open look. Even smaller kitchens benefit from smart storage, as every corner and surface can be optimized for function. By blending practicality with design, storage becomes an invisible part of the kitchen's flow, keeping the space efficient and visually appealing. Connecting the kitchen with outdoor spaces creates a refreshing and versatile design. Large sliding glass doors or folding panels allow the indoors to flow seamlessly into patios, decks, or garden areas. Extending countertops or placing a dining area just outside makes entertaining effortless, while also filling the kitchen with fresh air and natural light. Outdoor cooking zones, complete with grills or bar setups, enhance this connection and expand the kitchen's functionality. The result is a space that feels open, lively, and perfect for both everyday living and special gatherings. Modern kitchen design is about more than just looks. It's about creating a space that feels welcoming, practical, and tailored to everyday life. From open layouts and minimalist details to statement islands, smart technology, and natural finishes, every element works together to shape a kitchen that inspires. Bold colors, thoughtful lighting, and clever storage solutions add personality and efficiency, while blending indoor and outdoor areas brings an extra layer of comfort and enjoyment. A well-designed kitchen becomes the heart of the home, where style and function meet seamlessly. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who love home design, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more inspiration. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest design tips and trends.